Hi Scentsy friends, today I thought I'd talk to you about this, the spare washer. So when you get your ceramic mini warmer delivered, it will come with a base. It will come with a globe. Twist that in, just hand tighten gently. It's a 15-watt globe there, excellent. And pop your washer on. Now the one you put on first is the very thick one, okay? So pop that over here on the top, under the toggles, okay? There's some toggles there, you put it underneath, all right? Excellent. And the little step there has to be the little top, the narrow part like that. So you can see the wider part there at the bottom and the narrower part at the top, okay? Now, in the mini warmer, in the boxes, you have this, and it's a super thin washer. And what this is for is just a spare washer or backup, okay? So when you put your ceramic mini warmer on, you just put it on there, twist it around, and that is sitting nice and firmly for me. It's not wobbling. It's not feeling shaky at all, okay? Don't know if you can see that, but it's not moving. There's no movement there. But if it was wobbling a little bit, then I might feel more comfortable if I had an extra washer on. And so what this is, it's super thin. It's not as big as the other one. It's just an extra washer if you need it, okay? If this is feeling a little bit loose, you pop on the extra washer. You very rarely need it. There's not many times when you do. So look out for this one. It's purely a spare. It's purely a backup. If you feel you need it, pop it on there too, and that'll make your mini warmer nice and a nice firm fitting on top. And then if you want that extra support, you just screw this little screw nice and tight. And that is how you install your ceramic mini warmer. See you later.